Dynamic microphone. Built around a moving coil and magnet, this design turns sound into electricity through simple motion. It has been used for decades on stages, in radio booths, and anywhere reliability matters. Dynamic microphones handle loud sounds well, so they are common on drums, guitar amps, and live vocals. They usually reject background noise better than more sensitive designs, which is why many performers trust them in noisy rooms. Condenser microphone. Instead of a coil, this type uses a very thin charged diaphragm placed near a backplate. That makes it more sensitive and more detailed, able to capture subtle breath, room tone, and high frequencies with clarity. Condenser microphones became a studio standard for vocals, acoustic instruments, and voice work. Most need power, often called phantom power, to operate properly. Ribbon microphone. A ribbon microphone uses an extremely thin strip of metal suspended in a magnetic field. When sound moves the ribbon, it creates the signal. Known for a smooth and natural tone, ribbon microphones became famous in early broadcast studios and classic recording rooms. They are often chosen for brass, strings, guitar cabinets, and voices that sound harsh on brighter microphones. USB microphone. This type combines the microphone capsule, preamp, and digital converter into one unit that plugs directly into a computer. It became popular as podcasting, streaming, and home recording grew. USB microphones remove much of the extra gear normally needed, making them convenient for beginners. While simple to use, higher-end studio setups still often rely on separate equipment for more control. XLR microphone. Named after the connector it uses, this microphone sends an analog signal through a balanced cable to an audio interface, mixer, or recorder. It is the standard choice in studios, live sound, and professional production. XLR microphones can be dynamic, condenser, or ribbon, so the connector does not define the sound. What it offers is flexibility, stronger signal handling, and easy integration with professional gear. Lavalier microphone. Small enough to clip onto clothing, this microphone is designed to stay close to the speaker while remaining discreet. It is common in interviews, presentations, television, and documentary work. Because it sits near the mouth, it keeps voice levels consistent even when the person turns their head. Some are wired, while others connect to wireless transmitters. Shotgun microphone. Recognizable by its long body, this microphone uses an interference tube to focus on sound coming from the front while reducing sound from the sides. It is widely used in film, television, and outdoor recording. Shotgun microphones help capture dialogue when the microphone cannot appear on camera. Their directionality is useful, though room reflections indoors can sometimes make placement more important. Headset microphone. Mounted on a frame worn over the head, this microphone stays in a fixed position near the mouth. It is common in theater, fitness instruction, presentations, gaming, and broadcast work. Because the distance from the mouth rarely changes, voice levels remain steady even while moving. That consistency makes it practical for active speakers. Boundary microphone. Also called a surface microphone, this design sits on a table, wall, or floor and uses nearby surfaces to reduce certain reflections. It is often seen in conference rooms, meeting spaces, theater stages, and courtroom settings. Boundary microphones can cover several voices at once without needing stands in the way. Their strength is discrete placement and wide pickup in controlled spaces. Handheld microphone. Designed to be held comfortably in the hand, this format is common in live music, interviews, public speaking, and reporting. Many handheld models use dynamic capsules because they are rugged and dependable. The shape allows quick passing between speakers and easy control over distance from the mouth. It remains one of the most familiar microphone forms in the world.